This is one Silver, and today this video is gonna about parity. So this is a parity, and solve it. I'll show you how to solve the parity, right? So I RW U2. Right. So this is how to solve the parity. So here. And when do you know when you got parity or not is something. Alright, so this is a case when you don't have parity when you have last two edges, right? So these are already soft and these are not soft, flip, and these need to come to here. So when you slice and you do the algorithm that I taught you in previous video ago, which is the R U R prime something like that, right? And you got no parity, right? Oops, lock up. All right, so okay, when you have these already soft, these two pairs and these two already soft, that means you're gonna have a parity when you slice it and you do the algorithm. Then you have this parity as well. So you 50% you can get parity, 50% you can't get a parity. Just see your luck, right? So let's solve the after you solve a parity, and you can just solve it like a 3x3, right? So here. Kind of Alright, that's all. Then it's very good that after you know your parities and you just solve it like a 3x3 stage, right? So thanks for watching and see you in the next video, right?